Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to create Likee account. So first of all, what you have to do is launch upon Likee application. If you do not have this application, you can download it from Play Store and App Store. You can see over here, Likee application has been opened. So in order to create the account for yourself, simply tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now you can see over here you'll be led to your profile interface. From here you'll be able to create an account for yourself, or you can also log into your account. You'll be able to find several options over here. Login with Google, login with Facebook, phone, quick sign up, email, VK. So you can simply tap on any option of your choice. Here I'm just going to tap on the option email. If you also tap on the option email, you can see over here you'll have to enter your email address. So simply tap on the field of email address. Now enter the email address with which you want to create the account. Also check on this box. I have read and agree to the terms of use and privacy policy. Now tap on the option sign up or login with email. Now a verification code will be sent to your email. Simply launch open Gmail application. Make sure you're logged into your account. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. First of all, look for the email sent by the Likee in the inbox interface. If you do not find it over here, check the spam folder. Simply tap on the three lines that you can see at the top left corner of your screen. Now tap on the option spam. Now you can see over here Likee has sent me the email. Simply tap on that email. You'll be able to see the verification code over here. What you have to do is memorize this code. Now go back to the Likee application. Now enter that code over here. Now you can see over here you'll be able to set the password for yourself. You can simply use 6 numbers in order to create the password. You can also enter the password hint if you want. This is completely optional. Now after you set the password, tap on the option confirm that you can see on the screen. Now you'll have to select the year of birth and username. First of all, tap on the option year of birth. Now simply select the year of birth over here. Now tap on the option confirm. Likewise, enter your username. Tap on the field edit your username. Now what you have to do is enter the username over here. Simply create the username for yourself. Now after you do that, tap on the done option that you can see on the screen. You can also discover more friends if you want. If you do not want it, simply tap on the skip option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now you can also set the Likee ID. Simply set the Likee ID for yourself. Now tap on the confirm option. Now you can see over here your Likee account has been created. So that is how you create Likee account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.